we doing? So today's gonna be another learning experience because I went out and picked tomatoes this morning and they are very ripe. We need to use them today ripe. I got about 4 gallons here. So what we're gonna do is we are going to do something I've never done before. It's kind of the theme for the week, isn't it? So this week, what we're gonna do is I was flipping through my canning book. This is the book that I use, Blue Ribbon Canning. It's pretty good. Has a bunch of in it. But anyway, it has a roasted Roma tomato recipe. So that's what we're going to make. We're going to make roasted tomatoes. So generally what we're going to do, we're going to cut them, put them in the oven with some seasonings on them, cook them for 40 minutes, get them nice and roasted and good up, throw them in a pot, boil them, and then can them up. Hopefully they'll be good. As always, guys, remember to, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe for me, okay? But otherwise, let's get going. Okay, so I'm going to do something I usually don't do, which is I am going to be weighing these as I'm going. And the reason is because I'm going to be adding lemon juice, and I want to make sure I add the right amount. So all you really have to do to prep these is obviously wash them. You're going to cut the ends off to get rid of that. And then just slice them in half. And then I'm going to throw them in a thing and weigh them as I go. Yeah. And then once I get, a decent amount in there, then I'll lay them on the tray. Okay, so I am short about a pound of tomatoes, so I'm going to go out and see if I can find that many tomatoes that are ripe, and then I'll be able to have an even batch. Okay, so I ended up with 15 pounds of tomatoes, which is fine. That means I'm just going to triple the recipe, which is great. But that means I have 5 trays of tomatoes that need to go in the oven. There's no way they're all fitting in one. So we're going to have to do some batch baking. Oh well, it's going to take a little longer, but that's the way it works. So what you're going to do, according to the recipe, is sprinkle with garlic, salt, and pepper, and put them in the oven. You want to bake them for 30 to 40 minutes. You want that roasted blistery look. And we'll see how this goes, because I've actually never roasted tomatoes. We're gonna have this list of things that I know how to do now. There you go. Okay, so now that my kitchen feels like a sauna, the oven's set to 450 degrees. It's really hot in here. I'm gonna take these out. The first rounds are out, are ready to come out, and then I need to put the rest of the 2 in. So, just so you have an idea, this is what they look like going in. Nice, pretty Roma tomatoes. Trying to find places to set everything down. Alright, so there you go. Roasted tomatoes. They look like what I would assume roasted tomatoes look like, since I don't know what they are. Okay, so now I gotta put the other 2 in. Lost my address. So what I did was I just took garlic powder, salt, and pepper, ground pepper, and I just kind of mixed it together, and that's what I'm sprinkling on the tomatoes before they go in the oven. To get the tomatoes off of these and into here. This whole process is just weird. So out of my element right now, but that's okay. Here we go. We're gonna figure this out. Okay, so that is what it looks like. There you go. After it's been, I just brought it to a boil. It didn't say how long to bring it to a boil, so I just did, 10 minutes because that's what usually when you see something that says bring to a boil. So, I honestly don't even know how much this is gonna make. Like, I legit have absolutely no clue. This is totally, I don't know what's gonna happen. So we're gonna find out together. That's always a fun time. I'm gonna try to adjust this slightly so you can see what's going on a little bit better. So I'm putting a 1/4 teaspoon in each thing. So just basic lemon juice, nothing too exciting. I do know that when you can though, you don't want to use fresh lemons. You actually want to use lemon juice because it's more concentrated. I know I'm gonna need 6 jars, so I'm gonna go ahead and use 6 jars. I've got 8 jars. That's not horrible. Yeah. So the recipe said, I think 2 to 3. Let me look. Makes about 3 is what it said. And I got 8, so yeah, I'll take it. So yeah, not exactly sure. I think I did it right. We're gonna go with it. Yeah, so there you have it. I'm gonna get these things going. They are a 40-minute water bath. So I've got 8 jars, so I only need 1 water bath, which is awesome. And I'll show you what they look like after they're done. See you in a bit. All right, guys, they are out and sealing extremely slow. Not exactly sure what that's about, but they are sealing, which is good. I'll pick up one that has sealed. But there they are. You can see that a little bit. Yeah, you can. Basically, it smells phenomenal. I actually did try a little bit before I closed them all up, and it tastes really good too. So, provided all these seal, I'm excited because I'll be able to add this to different things. Stewed tomato, not stewed tomatoes. These aren't stewed tomatoes. Yeah, I'll be able to add these to a bunch of different things because roasted tomatoes are really good on a lot of stuff. So I'm really excited. So guys, as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I look forward to hearing what you guys think I should do next. I'm gonna do a baking video next. What do you guys want to see? Talk to you later, guys. Bye.